Hey guys, I'm James, and welcome to the Dime City Garage. All right, let's get right to it. All balls. Go ahead, get it out. All balls, all balls, all balls. All right, you guys good now? Now, I know it sounds like a club you'd see Lance Bass in, but it's actually one of the top bearing manufacturers on the planet. Let's take a closer look. Now, the delightfully tacky name stems from what they're best known for, ball bearings. All Balls makes a huge range of products, including an extraordinarily robust bearing catalog. In fact, you will not find a more comprehensive catalog anywhere. Their line of vintage kit supports models going back to 1971, and I can say from personal experience, a caliper and a little dedication will yield cross fitments far beyond that. And believe me, we know a thing or two about wrenching out some weird stuff. Now, bearings aren't particularly sexy or cool, unless you're a nerd. In which case, hang on to your pocket protector. All Balls uses the finest high-speed ball bearings with unwavering Rockwell hardness manufactured to ABEC 3 precision standards. ABEC stands for Annular Bearing Engineering Committee, which is part of the American Bearing Manufacturers Association, and their sole purpose is to provide manufacturers a standard by which super high-precision bearings can be measured. And you can just imagine the wild action at their holiday parties, but all joking aside, bearings carry out absolutely critical functions, and without them, many aspects of mechanical engineering simply would not be possible. Now, going from a gnarly old set of steering and wheel bearings to an ultra-smooth all-ball setup is better than going from Old Crow to a 12-year single malt, and it makes you feel almost as good. No, seriously, you'll be mad at yourself for not making the swap sooner. It literally makes your bike more fun to ride, and safer too. So you say, all right, though they're really good at making tiny balls, throw them into a crap housing and you still have a crap bearing. To you, sir, I say in the immortal words of Ed Lover, come on, son, they take their balls seriously, using triple lip rubber seals to keep the grease in and the dirt out, even in the most demanding applications. Just ask a motocross guy. Furthermore, they don't use just any lube. They employ a Chevron SRI-2 grease, which is perfect for high RPM duty and high temperature environments up to 350 degrees. All right, we get it, Poindexter, All Balls is badass, but so are Ferraris. Well, not to worry, my frugal friends. All Balls are typically significantly cheaper than OEM replacements, and in many cases outperform them too. For example, some vintage machines came with tapered ball-style bearings in the steering neck. All Balls hooks you up with a significant upgrade to heavy-duty tapered roller bearings for the same money. Thanks, man. I once ordered a $478 bearing for a Desmo Sedici that went down at a track day. Now, I'll keep those details to myself, but the customer could have saved well over $400 and about 5 weeks of delivery time from Italy. Now, with their awesome selection of wheel, crank, shock, steering, swing arm, all these bearings, you could easily replace every single one of them in your chassis and still have a pile of dead presidents left over to spend on fuel and fun. And they apply the same ethic and engineering to their oil seals too. I'm telling you, man, their seals are no joke. With directional ribs and dual sealing lips, they're literally dyno tested to ensure they last 3 or even 4 times as long as OEM seals. And having had the pleasure of working with many iron butt riders and a couple winners, I've actually seen these results play out in the service department. Insert one of 1,000 forking good puns here. So on the dealer side of things, I know it doesn't mean a whole lot to you guys, but they keep the same integrity. I pay for stuff, and then they send it to me. It seems like a really simple equation, but believe me, that is not always the case. A+ all around for All Balls. So to sum it up, do it. Anything worth having requires some sort of maintenance, and there is no better or cost-effective way to replace the absolutely vital bearings and seals in your two-wheeled psychiatrist than with All Balls racing products. So if you're stuck or want to make sure you're just getting the right parts for your bike on the first go around, just drop us a line. The crew here always has your back. Be sure to throw us a like, subscribe before heading over to dimecitycycles.com to check out our awesome selection of parts and accessories. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you folks next time right here in the Dime City Garage. Hey, you! Do all this crap down here, all right? And be sure to watch these videos right over here. And be sure to check out dimecitycycles.com. Thanks for watching.